Hello everybody! Welcome to my channel. Today, we got another oil life light reset on the 2010 to 2024 GMC Terrain after doing an oil change. This should be a short and pretty straightforward process, but I will show you how to do everything so you can do it yourself. So let's get right to work. On the old generation GMC Terrain, you can reset the oil life by using the gas pedal. So let's get in the car and do that. Step 1. Turn the key to the on position without starting it up. Step 2. Hit the gas pedal all the way to the floor 3 times within 5 seconds and you're done. After this, you can start the engine to confirm everything is done. If it is not reset, you can repeat it or try the next one. If your GMC Terrain is equipped with the DIC button, you can reset the oil life using the buttons on the middle screen. So let's go inside and reset the oil life. Step 1. Turn on your car. Step 2. Push the menu button until it brings you to the Option tab menu. Step 3. Push the down or up button to find the remaining oil life. Step 4. Press the set button and it's gonna say, "Are you sure want to reset?" Step 5. Highlight yes and hit the set button, and as you can see, it went to 100% and you're done. There are 3 methods to reset the oil life on the second generation GMC Terrain, and it all depends on your vehicle's trim level. First, we'll go over the steps for the basic model. Step 1. Start up your car. Step 2. Use the navigation buttons on the right of the steering wheel to highlight the vehicle tab menu. Step 3. Scroll up or down the menu until you reach the oil life screen. Step 4. Press the check button to access the reset menu. Step 5. Finally, highlight yes, then hit the check mark to confirm the oil life reset and you're done. Resetting the oil life is possible via the info menu on GMC Terrain models with the mid-level display. So, here is the way it is done. Step 1. Start your vehicle. Step 2. Press over to the left so you get to the cluster application. Step 3. Highlight the info menu and press the check button to select. Step 4. Scroll down to your oil life screen. Step 5. Hold down the check button until it resets to 100% and you're done. In this section, I will show you how to reset the oil life on the up-level display. So the reset can be done as follows. Step 1. Fire up the car. Step 2. Scroll to the left or right to navigate to the Info tab menu. Step 3. Scroll down to navigate through the various things until you get to the remaining oil life. Step 4. Press the check button and it's going to say, "Are you sure you want to reset?" Step 5. Go over to yes and click on that so you'll see how it's back up to 100 and you're done. So that's how the oil reset is done on this vehicle. I hope this content has been helpful. Feel free to give it a thumbs up or comment. Don't forget to subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Anyway, Thank you all for watching, and we see you at the next one.